Welcome to iMovie Basics for iMovie 10. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to do some stop motion. All right, so what stop motion is a whole bunch of pictures put together in a succession, one after another, and you would basically take something, move it, take a picture, move it, take a picture, move it, take a picture, move it, take a picture. Then you'd put all these pictures together to be able to create a movie. So to do this in iMovie 10, what you need to do first is you should go to the top here and you want to go to preferences. There's a couple things we need to change. So when we have here a photo placement, we're going to change this to fit. And then the second thing, we want to change our duration to 0.1 seconds. And then that's it. So we should be good after that. So after I do that, next thing I'm going to do is I made a new event over here and also a new project. If you don't know how to do that, figure it out. Right click, new event, and then that way you can kind of keep all your stuff together in the different events. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import all the pictures that I took. I like to keep everything on my desktop because it just makes it easier to be able to find them when I need to do it. So let's see here, stop motion pics. This is that, and then I'm going to press import selected. It's going to take a little while for these things to get imported. There are a lot of pictures here, and what this was me jumping up and down and then basically taking a picture while I was up there, so I had to have someone else taking the pictures for me. And then we're gonna put them all together. So what you need to do is you need to go and you can select all of them just by either doing Command A. So then I can drag these down, or I can just press this little plus sign and that will also do this. Command A, and we'll try the plus function this time and see if that works. Nope, that didn't. Oh, there it goes. Just did one. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it did them all. Perfect. All right, so if I go back to the front here at the beginning, and if I press play or the space bar, oh yeah, it shows me just floating around like I got some superpowers. All right, so adding your pictures, you just need to make sure that you change your preferences to 0.1 and also go from that Ken Burns thing to just the fit. Remember, it was up in preferences and then also fit and then making that to 0.1. Make sure you also add a theme. So I would probably go to, let's see, titles. And then I can add a title to this real quick. All right, and then I can change my title. I also want to put some music on here, and then the end at the end of it by also adding some titles. So you need to take at least, I mean, this was, I don't know, about 70 pictures, 30 pictures, 60 pictures. Take enough to be able to tell your story. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.